We'll guide you through how to add glare in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Blender users want to enhance their renders with glow or lighting effects, but do not know how to use the compositor in glare nodes. First, open your Blender application on your desktop to begin the process. Once the program is running, click the arrow on the shading section to choose more options. In that menu, check the compositor setting and set it to always so it stays active. After that, go to the material section to adjust how your object will look. Look for the emission setting in the material options. Set the color and the strength of the emission according to your preference so the object appears bright. After you finish adjusting the material, press 0 on your keyboard to go into camera mode. This allows you to see exactly what the camera will capture. Next, find a good angle for your scene by adjusting the camera view carefully. Once you are satisfied with the angle, press F12 on your keyboard to render the image. Wait until the rendering process is complete and the result appears on your screen. After the result is done, close the render panel and go to the compositing panel. At the top of this panel, check the backdrop option so you can see the changes directly behind the nodes. Then, press the plus sign to add nodes into your compositing setup. After that, press Shift and A on your keyboard to open the Add menu for nodes. From there, tap the search option and find the glare node. Once you find it, add the glare node to your workspace. After that, place it between the existing nodes so it affects the rendered image properly. On the glare node, you can set which filter you want to use and adjust the glare settings to match your desired effect. Take your time to experiment with different values until you achieve a look that fits your scene. Make small adjustments to the glare intensity, size, and type to refine the final appearance. Continue reviewing the result in the backdrop view while making changes so you can clearly see the effect in real time. This process helps you enhance lighting and create a more visually appealing render using Blender's compositing tools effectively.